So yeah, it looks like Adin Ross is coughing up information on his sex trafficking counterparts. And I just want to let you know the reason why is because I've been beating up his head every fucking day pretty much for weeks. And this is exactly what I was telling you. He's a sex trafficking piece of shit. No, she didn't want to tattoo his name on her arm. And it's to the point now where she's out of the hotel and it's not the same. But I mean, Nick Naracine is in on it. These Mexican influencers are sex trafficking pieces of shit.